In the vast ocean, there are dark places where not even sunlight can penetrate. These places are the deepest points in the ocean, full of mysteries and strange creatures rarely seen by humans. Until now, most of the area is still not fully explored. Scientists believe that at extreme depths, there could be species that have never been documented. This video will take you down to the quietest and scariest places on our planet. Get ready, because number 1, its depth gives researchers goosebumps. Number 7. Puerto Rico Trench, depth plus or minus 8,376 m. The Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean. This depth is so extreme that the water pressure can destroy an ordinary submarine in an instant. This trough was formed due to the meeting of two large tectonic plates that collided with each other. Despite being near tropical island regions, this area is very quiet and dark. The researchers found that its geological structure is very complex and unstable. Earthquakes and possible tsunamis are also often associated with this trough. This is the entrance to an underwater world full of mystery. Number 6. South Sandwich Trench, depth plus or minus 8,428 m. Located in the South Atlantic Ocean, this trough is known as one of the most remote places in the world. The weather is extreme with very violent waves, making exploration on the surface dangerous. Its depth rivals that of other deepest points in the global ocean. Interestingly, this trough is close to a row of underwater volcanoes that are still active. That volcanic activity creates a unique ecosystem at depth. Scientists believe that life here endures in unusual ways. This makes the South Sandwich Trough a stunning natural laboratory. Number 5. Kuril-Kamchatka Trench, depth plus or minus 10,542 m. The trough stretches between Russia and Japan, and is one of the most active subduction zones in the world. Its depth penetrates more than 10 kilometers, making it one of the largest natural ravines on Earth. This region often experiences large earthquakes and tsunamis due to the movement of tectonic plates. The trough is also home to deep-sea creatures capable of living under extreme stress. The researchers discovered several organisms capable of producing their own light. Although frightening, this trough still holds many unsolved mysteries. Few expeditions ever got to the bottom. Number 4. Philippine Trench, depth plus or minus 10,540 m. The Philippine Trench is notable for its narrow but very deep shape. This extreme depth is due to the devastating collision between the Eurasian Plate and the Philippine Plate. These conditions create dark and dangerous underwater valleys. The underwater currents are very strong, making exploration here very challenging. However, some expeditions discovered rare organisms that only lived under unusually high pressure. Researchers are still continuing to study the possibility of new species here. This trough is proof that the ocean still holds a mysterious world that we do not yet understand. Number 3. Tonga Trench, depth plus or minus 10,882 m. The Tonga Trench is one of the most extreme places in the Pacific Ocean. It is nearly as deep as the Challenger Deep, and is the deepest point in the southern hemisphere. This trough was formed due to subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the Tongan Plate. The region is highly tectonically active and there are frequent large earthquakes. Interestingly, the seabed temperature here is warmer than expected, possibly due to geothermal activity. Life at these depths is very specific and difficult to find anywhere else. This is one of the most mysterious zones on Earth. Number 2. Java Trench/Sunda Trench, depth plus or minus 10,920 m. The Java Trench, or Sunda Trench, is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Its depth makes it the second deepest in the world. The trough is notable for its association with major earthquakes and tsunamis, including the 2004 major disaster. The geological structure is very complex and is still moving today. Research shows that this area has geothermal energy potential on the seabed. Although dangerous, the trough is of great interest to geological researchers. Few visual recordings have been taken from this extreme depth. Number 1. Mariana Trench, Challenger Deep, depth plus or minus 11,034 m. This is the deepest known point on Earth, a place even deeper than Mount Everest when turned over. Challenger Deep is a dark, cold, and very quiet underwater ravine. The pressure here is more than 1,000 times the air pressure at the surface. Very few creatures have survived, but some strange organisms have been discovered. Scientists discovered unique microbes that live on chemicals on the seabed. This depth is still not fully explored even though there have been several modern expeditions. This is the most mysterious and extreme place on our entire planet. Those are the 7 deepest oceans in the world, places that hold silence and mystery that even modern technology finds difficult to uncover. The deep ocean shows that our Earth is still full of unanswered secrets. Each trough holds stories of extreme life, tectonic forces, and millions of years of Earth's history. If you like sea exploration, don't forget to like and share this video. Leave a comment which trough gives you the most goosebumps. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss other Earth exploration videos. See you in the next video.